Hey y'all, it's me Marty. Welcome back to Glam with Marty. Today I have a monthly monthly series. We're gonna be reviewing these nuts. No, I'm kidding. That's cashews. I'm sorry, I'm stupid. Okay, so today we are going to be reviewing the January BoxyCharm base box. So here's the box. Y'all remember how the base box works? There's 3 different levels at BoxyCharm. There is the base box, the premium box, and the luxe box, which is now like a seasonal box. They only do it once every couple months. So this is what it looks like on the inside. These are the products. We're gonna go more in depth obviously in a minute. This month's theme is so fresh and so clean. So if you guys want to see what I think about this month's BoxyCharm base box, you can just keep on watching. Thank you. Alright y'all, so first of all, I'm so glad to be up and about. I had a horrible migraine, so everything was delayed. Thank you guys for 280 subscribers. I just saw yesterday that we hit 280, so thank you very much for that. I really appreciate it. Also, TikTok is doing pretty well, so is Instagram. But that's not what we're here for. Today we are here for this beautiful BoxyCharm base box. So before I get into everything, I do want to remind y'all that if you want to subscribe to BoxyCharm or check BoxyCharm out at least, you can use my referral link that's going to be down below. It's not an affiliate link. I don't get paid or anything for, but it is there. So if you guys want to use it, by all means, it'll take you right where you need to be. Well, I did try everything out that's in this box. Every single thing today I did manage to try out. Let's start with my least favorite product to my favorite product. So my least favorite product today, which is not a bad thing. It's not a bad product. It's just my least favorite. The Persona Cosmetics E-Balm Tinted Lip Balm. A sheer lightweight tinted lip balm, and y'all know I'm going to insert the picture here, but this is, and I'm going to insert footage of me actually trying it on. I'm actually going to reapply this because it's my lipstick. A sheer lightweight tinted lip balm packed with nourishing ingredients designed for feel-good comfort anytime or anywhere. So this is okay. It's really just a lip balm. It does have a pretty strong shade. Y'all see, it's pretty pigmented for a lip balm, but I don't really care that much for the color because when do y'all see me wear hot pink or red? It's just a weird color for me. I don't really like that color. I do love the packaging though. This is the little tube. I like that on the bottom. It shows what it is. It reminds me of a lippy stick from ColourPop. I'm just not that much of a fan of this shade. But it's not like I said, it's not a bad product. Let me swatch it actually for y'all because y'all not wearing it, so you might not be able to really see what it looks like. Yeah, so that's what it looks like. That's the swatch. So, you know, it's just a lip balm. So it's going to go on my take and goes where I put all the stuff I just randomly grab, like lip oils and things like that. So this is cute. I like it. I'll give it 3 out of 5 diamonds. Yeah, let's go with 3. Also, I think I forgot to mention in the opening, guys, that in addition to getting access to BoxyCharm, where you get 5 products and you get to customize one of them with the base box, which is what I have, but also with even just a base box subscription, you get access to the drop shop, the mega drop shop, and the charm room, which is all different things, and refreshments, the refreshments brand as well. All different stores that you can get super cheap stuff at, especially the drop shop. Oh, I forgot to tell y'all, the lip balm is $22 and it's from Persona Cosmetics. Next, we have the True and Luscious infused with rose extract angel eyes eyeshadow primer and base. So when I first tried this on, I was excited about it because it's tinted. So mine is in, what is it called? Medium nude. So at first I was excited about this because I thought I could cut my crease with it too, since it is colored. But the thing about this I don't like, after I applied it to my eye, it looked like it was going to break up. Like it was going to break apart. I don't know. It was okay. My eyeshadow did go well on top of it. But I always do my eye primer, then my brows, then, oh no, I'll put a little bit of foundation on each side. When I put the foundation, see, that's what it looks like. Yeah. So when I put the foundation on, the foundation was like sitting on top of it, like it was weird. So that's not my favorite eye primer, but I did just run out of one of my Lorac Pro primers, so you know. Alright y'all, so I actually have to run to the store so I can really test out this primer. So I'll come back and I'll let y'all know what I think about it. Okay y'all, so I am back and I want to continue going over my BoxyCharm, but I have to show y'all these. I went to Ross today. Y'all can see my nails have been going through it. I wanted to show y'all these finds I got. I don't want to do like a full-on haul, so I just want to show y'all these 2 little things. These Juicy Couture earrings. Look how beautiful these are, y'all. I mean, they were $5.49. Hey baby, you want to come sit with mommy? My little Lulu's right behind me in his bed. Okay, Lulu is nesting, so just excuse that if you hear it, because this is his house, so he gets to make the rules. So anyway, these little earrings were over there. The original Ross price was $7.99, but then they went on sale for $5.49. It's not a haul post, so I'm not gonna like do a whole thing and find the price, but I just had to show y'all. And then these, look how pretty these are, y'all. They're like the only earrings I've ever seen that's pretty from every side. And I also grabbed these. They're like little hoops. They say Juicy Couture in black on the bottom, and then on the side there are stones, and then on the back it has this little like hammer design. So literally these earrings are going to be beautiful like no matter. And these were $4.99, so I just had to show you that. This True and Luscious Angel Eyes eyeshadow primer here. So True and Luscious, a hydrating eye primer that locks in your, yeah, the hydrating is definitely a thing, in your eyeshadow and concealer for crease proof, no smudge wear for up to 16 hours. A tinted formula that corrects redness and creates an even canvas that intensifies the vibrancy of powder and cream eyeshadows. Infused with soothing Damascus rose extract as well as bentonite clay to naturally balance oil and form a protective barrier under makeup. So to me, oh, it retails for $22. To me, I will be honest with you guys, I did not find that it stopped creasing. I actually thought it was really wet. I don't know if it was oily, but it's like it never set, it never dried down. So like I almost felt like I had to even go back and like set it. Set the primer, which I usually don't. But I will tell y'all this, if y'all look at my eyeshadow right now, and we're gonna go over this eyeshadow palette in a second because that's one of the BoxyCharm things, my eyeshadow did last all day. I did not reapply my eyeshadow. When I got back from the store, I just kind of applied some some powder and redid my lipstick, my lip balm, but that was it. So the eyeshadow did last the whole night. It did not crease that I see. Let me get a mirror, hold on. Yeah, the eyeshadow is still completely intact. There's no creasing. I didn't have it on for 16 hours. I probably had it on for like 5 or 6 hours, and there's absolutely no creasing on there. So yeah, so I guess it did its job. It's just weird to apply. Let's say 4 out of 5 diamonds, because at first I didn't like it because the way it went on, it was just like so wet and it started to act kind of weird. But at the same time, it did the job it was supposed to do. My eyeshadow is very pigmented and it is very, very still together. Like didn't break, didn't crease, didn't smudge. It looks good. So I also used it to prime my brows as well, and same thing, it definitely did that. And I love the packaging. Let me show y'all the packaging. I like that it has a little point under the cap. It's a good size, first of all. And this is how you apply it. So I really like that. I like the way it lays out. 2 down, 3 to go. Next, I want to go over the Elemis spray. So this is the Elemis Balancing Lavender Toner. This is supposed to be skincare. This is technically a spray toner. Now, I'll tell y'all how I used it today, because I did not use it as a toner. Y'all know I have 1,000 toners I have to work through first. But let me read y'all what it says and throw y'all to me trying it out. The Elemis Balancing Lavender Toner. Perfect for combination skin, this purifying treatment toner helps maintain the skin's natural pH level without the use of alcohol or other harsh detergent. Infused with extracts of lavender, Kiaja wood, and sweet Betty flower, and hydrating. The hydrating formula balances and softens skin whilst leaving it looking and feeling fresh. It also acts as the first layer of hydration and aids in the penetration of moisturizer or night cream. Retails for $37. Now, on the back of this thing, it says, moisten cotton wool pad and wipe gently over face after cleansing. Can also be used as a refreshing spritz. Now, I want y'all to focus on that second sentence because that's what I did. When I hear refreshing spritz, I also hear prep spray. I like this as a prep spray. Again, I just have so many toners. I just don't have time. Like, I have so many sitting in the skincare basket. This is what it looks like. It's a really good size. I really do like it as a prep spray. It left the skin feeling like juicy and like kind of rehydrated before I started doing my makeup. So I really liked it. But a prep spray, so the same way I'd use the MAC Charge Water or any of the other things I have in there, I would give it 4 out of 5 diamonds. I'm not really using it in the way they said to use it, but I'm using it in a way that works for me so I don't have yet another product that I have to get rid of. Next up, y'all, I have, okay, the last 2 products were really good, so I don't know which one I want to. Let's talk about this one first. So the LES Cream Bronzer in the shade Brownstone. Y'all know I had, let me show y'all, hold on. I have a few cream bronzers that are okay. I have one from Tarte, I have one from Jaclyn Cosmetics. The one from Jaclyn Cosmetics I don't like. It was really orange. This one I really like. Let me read y'all what it says. A lightweight, creamy bronzer with a natural velvet finish that melts into skin for an effortless sun-kissed glow. Retails for $18. I have this on right now. Y'all can actually still see after the day of running around shopping. I had a headache again, of course. After all of that, it still stayed, and it's so pretty. It's like a really nice warm. You could probably use it as a contour too. I want to show it to y'all. First of all, they're compact. I love that a compact this small, they had a mirror for. This is what the bronzer looks like. I'm going to swatch it for y'all real quick just so y'all can see what we're talking about here. So for my skin tone, this was gorgeous. It definitely did what it needed to do. And it wasn't just like a contour. You could contour with it, but what I like about it, y'all can see on my hand, it's so warm. But warm just like golden, like I just got off the beach. Like that's what it looks like. If y'all know me, and by now y'all should, I love that. I love feeling like I just got off the beach. I love looking like I just got off the beach. And I really, really like that bronzer. So that's definitely a win. I'm actually going to give that 5 out of 5 diamonds because it was a sleeper hit. I don't usually find bronzers. I don't pick out, especially cream bronzers that are like selected for me in those kind of boxes. Usually I don't like them. This one was different. It's so good, y'all. I really, 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 really like this. The last thing we're going to talk about from this BoxyCharm base box is the Wander Beauty Sweet Escape palette. So another, I believe this is a Boxy exclusive. I'm not sure. Let me read what it says on the back and I'll throw y'all to me trying it out. Send yourself on a sweet escape with this perfectly curated collection of matte and shimmering neutral and bold shades that take you effortlessly from day to play wherever you wander. And it retails for $42. This is an exclusive BoxyCharm drop like I thought it was. So this one, y'all, I don't know if y'all remember. Let me get it. Like I said, I'm sitting right by the Glam Station shop. I should be able to. I have the Wanderous Escape palette here with me. They are very similar. This one is more neutral, I think, and there's definitely more purples. So I want to show y'all both of these just so if you guys are shopping at Wander, not via BoxyCharm. I just peeled my nail again. I just want to show you guys the comparison real quick before we get to talking about this one. Y'all can see already the packaging, very similar. They even have the same vibe, the vacation vibe where like you want to look like you just got off the beach, blah, 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 blah. Yeah, so they're pretty similar. Those are the two palettes, right? So the new one, the Sweet Escape, is a little cooler tone and it has a lot more purples and a lot darker shades. Just a comparison because these were both BoxyCharm choices. And this one, y'all know when I did the palette challenge, I cannot say enough good things about this palette. It's really, really good. And same can be said for this palette, Sweet Escape. This one was a Boxy choice. They were both Boxy choices. I really, really like Wander Beauty. So far, I have not been disappointed with anything I've picked up from them. I really like this one too. So I'm going to show you guys the swatches I did, but I just want to show y'all how beautiful this is. Again, I did use this for my eyeshadow today. It stayed on. I used Frequent Flyer around the halo, and then I did Sweet Dreams in the middle. I did in the cloud. So I used as many shades as I possibly could today, and I am so happy with them. The shimmers from Wander Beauty are bananas. Like the mattes are really good, really pigmented, creamy, blend like a dream, but the shimmers are like unrealistic. Let me show y'all how this, watch. Look at these shades on Holiday. Wait, I just caught a good, yeah, look at that. I'm sorry, I don't want to blind y'all with the mirror, but look at that. Y'all can see in the pan how reflective they are. Just absolutely stunning. My favorite product of the box, also choice product as well. So remember I said you guys get to customize one of your products. It could have been this palette. Again, retails for $42. I do think that's a little bit expensive. That's about the same price as the Anastasia Beverly Hills Classic palette, but the formula is so good, I really do not care. So this one for sure, 5 out of 5 diamonds. So overall, the So Fresh and So Clean January 2023 BoxyCharm box, I think they stuck to the theme for the most part because everything is really light wash, hydrating, creamer, cream bronzer, you know, lip balm, all that stuff. I do wish they had like some kind of cleanser in there because the whole thing is so fresh and so clean, but I love the products. I'll say overall they gave a 4 out of 5 diamond box because I really like the products, but I don't think, again, they could have done a little better with the theme. So yeah, so reminder you guys, if y'all want to see everything that I'm wearing on my face, that's going to be linked down below. Also, my BoxyCharm referral link will be down there. Again, not an affiliate link. It just lets them know if you sign up that you got it from me. Also, my Truly Beauty affiliate code is going to be down below. That one is an affiliate code. So again, as I always say, in theory, I could make money from it. I haven't yet, but it's possible. Dossier, I have a discount code, all of that stuff, including including all the rest of my social media, is going to be down in the description box below. Thank you guys for 280 followers. Again, I really appreciate it. That means we are more than halfway to our 500 subscribers, and when I get those 500 subscribers, I will be giving away a fresh new bottle of Dossier perfume. It is the Floral Marshmallow is the one I'll be giving away. If y'all want daily beauty updates from me, you can follow my TikTok page, which is going to be right here. That's going to be my palette challenge, self-care Sundays, one product reviews, outfits of the day, just random stuff. Today I actually did my I tried to calm down my baby hair. Now they're not flat anymore because I was chopping my behind off. But yeah, thank you guys so much. I'm almost at 100 followers on TikTok. That's really cool. I did not expect that to happen that quickly, so I'm really excited about that. So thank you. Also, I never promote this, but I have an eBay shop as well. It's called Glam with Marty's Closet. That's also going to be linked down below. Also, my beauty in real time, pictures of the house, just stuff we're doing, just anything beautiful I see in the house. That's going to be on my Instagram page, which is going to be right here. And then sports, politics, reality TV, movies, music, whatever pops into my mind that I want to discuss, that's all going to be on my Twitter page, which is right here. Real quick, everybody else, take a pause. Rowan, I love you so much, sweetheart. Thank you so much for watching Nini's video. I love you and I cannot wait to see you. Love you, baby. I'll see you later. And for the rest of y'all, I will be here the next time you want to get glam, if you want to come on over and get glam with Marty. I'll see y'all next time. Bye.